How to recover Pinterest account without email. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If you cannot remember your email address but want to recover your Pinterest account, you can do so. So here are a couple of steps to do so. Now, if you don't remember your email address, you can log in with your old password. You can use the last email address that you remember and the password you might remember and try to log in with it. If that is not possible, you have the option of logging in with Facebook or Google. If in the past your Pinterest was connected to either of Facebook or Google, with a simple click you'll be able to recover your Pinterest account. Now, if none of this helped, the last resort would be to create a brand new account. In that case, you can just connect with a Facebook or Google. Then create a brand new account for you. So these are some of the methods to recover your Pinterest account without your email. Hopefully this video was informative and helpful to you. We hope that you will go ahead and give this a try. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.